In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Perplexity code. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Perplexity AI website. Make sure you're on the correct site so your code is applied safely and to the right account. Once you're there, log in with your existing account. If you don't have one yet, create a new account first. Use the email you plan to keep for your Pro access and complete any quick verification prompts so your account is fully set up before you continue. After you're signed in, look for the Upgrade to Pro option. You'll typically see it in the header or your account area. Click that, and you'll be taken to the Payment or Checkout page. This is where you review the plan details, confirm the billing interval if it's shown, and see your currency or region. If your code covers the full cost, the total may drop to zero once applied. If it's a discount, you'll see the price adjust. On the checkout page, find the Add Promotion Code or Promo Code field. Sometimes it appears as a small link you need to click to reveal the box. When you see it, enter your Perplexity code carefully. Codes are often case-sensitive and may include letters and numbers, so double-check for typos. If you're pasting from somewhere else, remove any extra spaces before or after the code to avoid errors. Next, click Apply. Give the page a moment to process the code. You should see a confirmation message and an updated total that reflects your discount or full coverage. If the price doesn't change or you see an error, verify the code's spelling, check that it hasn't expired, and make sure it's valid for your region and plan. With the code successfully applied, click Subscribe or Activate to finish. Depending on the offer, you may be asked to confirm your details before activation. Once you complete this step, your Perplexity Pro access should activate immediately if the code is valid. You can confirm by looking for Pro indicators in your account or by trying a Pro-only feature. If you run into issues, try refreshing the page, using a different browser, or signing out and back in. Still stuck? Review the code for expiration or usage limits and reach out to Perplexity support from the help section on their site. That's it. Your code is redeemed, and you're ready to enjoy Pro features.